Hi, my name is Mark Hamill. I'm CEO of RAKEZ Global. We've been supporting RAKEZ on their community events for a number of months now, and part of the next stage was to create a growth series to help organizations to flourish. And the topic was around social media, digital marketing and AI, so how they can use AI in their day-to-day. We approached Anas because we thought he is the person in the know, particularly when it comes to social media. I've known him for many years. When he was a judge at our awards programs, spoke at our conferences as well. But he was able to present to a great degree of detail on digital marketing and on AI as well. So the first session was very much a seminar focused event, and the feedback was outstanding. A lot of the companies there were just getting started, and I think he had this amazing ability to make people feel kind of stupid, but at the same time make them realize, oh, I need to do something, and then how to do it. So I don't mean that in a bad way at all, and I think a lot of people would have the same feedback as me. And we just concluded our second session here, and that was a more in-depth workshop type event where Anas was running with 8 mentees, different businesses, different business types, different business sizes, and supporting them on their 90-day journey around social media, digital marketing, and AI, and how they can use that in their company. So it's been fantastic working with Anas as always, and would highly recommend him to anybody.